Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. If this is your very first time checking me out, then stop what you're doing and go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. If you guys want to go ahead and jump into today's video, I don't need a visa. I'm speaking Arabic. I mean not orange whip. Baby, don't force it. I know we foreign. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. I want to do a beauty room clean with me. My beauty room looks like a freaking tornado. That's because I've recorded some videos. Me and my friends got ready a couple of times when we went out. So yeah, it just looks like a tornado. So I want to do a clean with me. Please don't mind my hair. I will be doing a video after this. So yeah, I want to do a clean with me, and then I'm going to show you guys like a mini tour of my beauty room. I mean, or my beauty area. It's not really like a full room, so don't judge me. It looks like crazy. I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys around now and kind of show you guys the mess before I start cleaning it. So that's the background that you guys see from my videos. I want to work on that. That's a whole other thing. But yeah, so this is just what the front looks like. As you guys can see, I have a whole bunch of brushes and everything. It just looks like a tornado. This is a little shelf where I keep some of my products. And yeah, and that's kind of where I put my makeup storage. Now, nothing is like, you know, perfect and finalized in this beauty area, but this is the setup I like, so this is how I like it. But now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of clean up and then kind of show you guys a little overview of my makeup area. So yeah. Okay guys, so to start off, this little cart is from IKEA. A lot of the stuff is from IKEA. So this little cart is from IKEA. My desk is from IKEA. The chair is from IKEA. The little mat thing that I use on top of my carpets from IKEA. Both of these are from IKEA. These are the Alex 5 drawers. This mirror is from IKEA. This little swivel thing is from Amazon. And then these two glass things are from the dollar store. These N2 makeup clothes are from IKEA, and this is from Michael's Center. Michael's. I don't know if I'll end up keeping this, but yeah. So just to kind of give you guys a little how I store everything. So this little cart right here, I use it to kind of store like my randoms and things that I run to. So this up here is just all of my hair stuff. These are my travel sheet masks and makeup wipes. This is just random, honestly, as random as it gets. I just have some bobby pins, some hair ties. This is a little scarf to lay down my edges, some hair brushes. If we go down here, you're going to see more makeup wipes. My favorite are the Neutrogena, just a random lotion. Down here, I have some hair extensions. These are 2 ponytails that I got from Amazon. And then I believe these are clip-ins. Yeah, and then just a random makeup bag. I do keep a chair on the other side of my makeup station, and that's just for when my friends come over. It's just a lot easier for them to do makeup here. On this little swivel thing, I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, but just decided to show you guys because it's right here. It's from Amazon. I don't like it because sometimes when I hit my chair, it just gets all over the place. So up here, I just keep my setting sprays, kind of like what I use on a daily basis. My first aid lotion, and then this is just a new foundation, the primer that I'm using. Over here, I use my go-to foundation. So as you guys know, my favorite is the NARS Radiant, and back here I have Anastasia. I have this Clinique foundation that I've been trying. I have the Fenty, the Bare Minerals, and then over here I just have 2 setting sprays. This is Fenty and that's Fit Me. And then here I have the Becca, what is it called? Hydrating Mist powder. So yeah, that's just what I keep over there. I'm, for the most part, so this desk did come white, but I ended up putting a black skin on it because the white just got dirty so much and it was just kind of hard to maintain. So I actually like this look. Next time I think I'm definitely going to get a black table. So I like this desk because it has 2 drawers. In the first drawer, this is kind of like my basics and what I use on a day-to-day basis. Over here, I keep my lipsticks, kind of my favorites, things that I run to. Right now, you'll see a lot of reds and burgundies and stuff like that because of the fall. Over here, once again, random. This is a brush cleaner that I've been wanting to try. A lip scrub, more lipsticks, contour and highlighter. Back here, I do keep extras because I have extra eyebrow pencils because I run out of those all the time. This little tray thing I got from Container Store, and then these little bins that I use to store are from the dollar store. Yeah, so honestly, I'm not going to be too in-depth, but this is kind of my basic makeup that I use: contour, blush, primer, foundations, concealers, and just a bunch of tools. Back here I have my contacts, and then in this next drawer I keep my favorite palettes and then makeup that is new and I want to use. So over here I have mainly a lot of drugstore. I did a drugstore haul video on my page, so I'll be sure to leave it down in the description box. But yeah, so these are the 2 palettes that I have been loving. This Violet Voss, I have a video on it on my Instagram, and then this Butter London. And then these are, yeah, just foundation, concealer, primer, and everything. Same thing here. These are things that I want to use. So I keep things that I want to use accessible because when I put them in these drawers, I honestly don't reach to them. So I'm trying to use a lot more of my makeup. And then here's just my favorite palettes, some blushes, and then just more contacts. And then over here in these 2 clear things, I keep my beauty blenders. My beauty blenders and all my brushes are really, really dirty. So don't judge me on that. I'm going to be able to wash these. Over here, I have all of my face brushes. Over here, I have all my eye brushes. And then this is just a random thing of brushes. But I think I'm going to end up getting rid of this because I don't like my desk to be super cluttered. So next, I want to go into my drawers. I think I'm going to end up changing the system though, because I don't really like it, but we'll see. So on top of the drawers, I do keep these little file things that I got from Amazon, and then these are like my palettes, as you can see, at least the ones that I like to keep on display. This is a random face mask that should be upstairs in the bathroom. But yeah, so these are just palettes. That's the James Charles palette that I'm yet to still actually try. The Daisy Marquez palette. I should have a video up on that really soon. Back here, I keep products that I'm going to be putting together for a giveaway. And yeah, so none of these drawers are perfect, but let's just go into it. The first drawer is lashes. As you guys know, I have my own lash line, so I don't really wear anybody else's lashes, but this was before. So I just have a backup of lashes all back here. This is a Dermalogica, I think powder, I'm not sure. And then this is kind of empty. In the next drawer, I have more palettes, like I need any more. Yeah, so these are just palettes. These are the Wet n Wild collection. Naked, I really love this and use this for such a long time. In this drawer, I did declutter a lot. So this is my foundation drawer. This is drawer number 1 of 2. Over here, I leave primers and illuminators. And then these are all my foundations that I use. All the colors that I have. Kind of just what I jump to. And then this drawer right here is a little bit more foundations. As you can see, I decluttered honestly a lot, and I'm going to keep decluttering until I'm down to what I actually need. And then down here is a bunch of random things. This is my fan that I use whenever I put my setting spray. And then here is like highlighters and contours. As you can see, it goes all the way back here. Yeah. And then if you go into these drawers right here, I have all of my loose highlighters. These are my loose highlighters and some of my contours, some of the setting spray. And then this thing right here is full of concealer. And then next I have all of my glitters. And kind of like single eyeshadows. Like this one's from ColourPop. This is my mascara thing. Over here I have all of my skin illuminator, liquid highlighters, or anything like that. In here I have glitter sticks that I need to use. Actually, here I have more single glitters. These I actually got from Amazon, and I think I used them for something, I forgot. But and then right here is all of my liners. You know, the NYX Jumbo pencils, liquid liners, lip liners, and stuff like that. This is a random makeup bag. And then down here is kind of where I keep all of the extra tech stuff. So I have some lens covers, some little clips for my mic and everything. Yeah, and then I just have a bag, extra bag. Honestly, this is just random drawer. This last drawer right here, once again, has a bunch of randoms. I have some light bulbs that I use, some photos, lotion, a bunch of random things.